Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about heap data structure and few of its types like max heap and min heap. Heap is a tree-based data structure. In heap, the tree must be a complete binary tree. What is complete binary tree? Let's understand complete binary tree first. Here is an example of a binary tree. In this, each node has two children except leaf nodes, and all the leaf nodes are at the same level. This tree is called a perfect binary tree. If you notice, all the leaf nodes are at the same level and completely filled. The last level is completely filled. Now, a complete binary tree is similar to perfect binary tree except with one change. In complete binary tree, all the levels are completely filled except the last level. The last level may or may not fill completely. In case it is partially filled, then all nodes must be as left as possible without any gaps between them. Here is an example of a complete binary tree. In this, all the levels are filled completely, including the last level, leaf node level also. So this is a complete binary tree. Here is another example of complete binary tree. In this, the last level is partially filled. If you notice, node 3 does not have any children. But if you notice, all the leaf nodes are arranged from left to right without missing any node in between them. So this is a complete binary tree as per the definition. Here is another example tree. The last level is partially filled in this case. But if you notice, one of the node is missing in between them here, which means all the nodes are not arranged completely from left to right without missing any node between them. So this is not a complete binary tree. Look at another example. Here also the last level is partially filled and the leftmost node is missing. So this is also not a complete binary tree. Here is another example tree. Even though the last level is partially filled, the nodes are properly arranged from left to right. So it is a complete binary tree. Here is another example. This is also a complete binary tree as per the definition. Now coming back to heap data structure, heap is a complete binary tree. Based on the nodes arrangement compared to its root node, we can classify them as a min heap or max heap. Let's understand better. We will discuss max heap first. In a max heap, the root node value must be always greater than or equals to its children. Not only its children, the root node value must be the highest among all the node values. This rule is also applicable to all the subtrees within the tree. Here is an example max heap. The root node value is higher than its children. 10 is bigger than 8 and 7. Not only that, it is higher than any other node values within this tree. 10 is bigger than any of the node values in this tree. If you take left subtree, 8 is a root node and it is bigger than its children 4 and 6. Similarly, if you take right subtree, 7 is a root node and which is bigger than its children. Now let's look at this example. Is it following max heap property? Let's check. The root node is 8, bigger than its children and also higher than any other node values within this tree. But that's not enough. Let's take left subtree. Root node is 4. Unfortunately, this value is not bigger than its children. 4 is less than 5, which means it is not strictly following max heap property. So this tree is not a max heap. Now let's look at the min heap. It is also similar to max heap but in other way around. In min heap, the root node value must be always less than or equals to its children. Not only its children, the root node value must be the least among all the node values. This rule is also applicable to all the subtrees within the tree. Here is an example min heap. The root node value is less than its children. 3 is less than 7 and 8. Not only that, the root node value is the least in entire the tree node values. This behavior is consistent across subtrees also. Let's take left subtree. Root node is 7. Its value is less than its children. Similarly, if we take a right subtree, the root node value is 8. 8 is less than 12. So this tree is called min heap. Now, what about this tree? Is it following min heap property? Let's check. The root node value is 3, which is less than its children 7 and 8. And also 3 is the least among entire node values within this tree. Now let's take left subtree. Here the root node value is 7, which is less than its children 11 and 9. Now we'll take its right subtree. The root node value is 8. Unfortunately, it is bigger than its children. 8 is bigger than 6. So it is not following min heap property. So this tree is not a min heap. I hope you understood what is min heap and max heap. Now we will discuss how to insert an element into a heap. Here is an example max heap. We would like to insert a node with value 12. As a first step, insert the new node at the last available position. This is the available position, last available position. Let's insert node here. Now let's check is it following max heap property or not. Since 12 is bigger than its parent 7, it is not following max heap property. So we need to heapify the new element following bottom up approach. Since 12 is bigger than 7, let's swap them. 7 will be here. 12 will be here. Now continue this heapification until the node satisfies max heap property or you reach root node. Since 12 is bigger than its parent 10, let's swap them. 10 will be here, 12 will be here. Now we reached root node and also this tree is following max heap property. So this is how we can add an element into a max heap. The time complexity to insert an element into a heap is log n. Now we will discuss how to delete an element from a tree. Here is an example max tree. Please note that we can delete root node only in the heap data structure. We cannot delete any node other than root node. So let's delete from this example tree. As a first step, store the root node value in a temp variable. We need to return this value back at the end. Now, as a second step, replace a root node value from the last level rightmost node value, which is ideally the last node in the tree. So here 3 is the last node. Now we will remove this node and replace node value with this. We need to make sure that the node is strictly following max heap property or not. So let's start heapification from top to bottom. We will compare 3 with its children 8 and 7. 3 is smaller than its children. We will swap a root node value with maximum of its children. Since 8 is maximum, we will swap 8 and 3. 3 will be here, 8 will be here. We need to follow this heapification until the node satisfies max heap property or we reach leaf node. Let's continue. 3 will be compared with its children 4 and 6. Since 3 is less than its children, we need to swap node 3 value with maximum value of its children. Since 6 is max, we have to replace 6 with 3 and 3 with 6. Since we have reached leaf node, let's return the temp value which we have stored as a first step. So this is how we can delete a node from heap data structure. The time complexity to delete a node from heap is log n. Hope you understood heap data structure. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.